How to add background music to iPhone video. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can add music to the videos from your iPhone. So it's very simple. You can go on ahead and download iMovie from over here. And you can go into your app store and download iMovie, which is a editor, or you can download any other editor of your choice. You can download InShot, you can download Splice, or any other editor. Usually most people already have iMovie because they never uninstall it from their iPhones. So if you already have that, just open that up. If you don't, download InShot or any other app, and just open that app up, click on video, click on new over here, select any video of your choice. This is just a blank video, so I can just click on this video over here, click on the green icon on the bottom right, and you will be able to see your video. Now, after that, all you have to do is click on music on the bottom left over here, and once you click on music, you're going to click on music once more, and from here, you can extract audio from your video. You can also go into your local music file, so if you've downloaded any music on iTunes or Spotify, you can add that over here. You also have imported music, so you can extract audio from another video, you can airdrop some audio, and you can even get audio from other applications. Plus, you also have some basic audios that you can add that are provided by the application. So you have a bunch of different options that you can pick from. Let's say we have this one over here. So let's say I want to use this one, and I will just click on download over here. And it will take a couple of seconds to download the audio clip, or to just, catch the audio clip, and then you can click on use. And just like that, you can use any part of the audio clip wherever you want in your video. And you can do this with any video on your iPhone. It could be from your camera roll, Snapchat, or any other application. And you can add any kind of music onto that video. Once you've completed it, just click on the tick icon on the right side of your screen, and then you will click on the top right over here. So once you click on this, you will get the save option, and you can choose the resolution, frame rate, and format as well. And then just click on save over here. Once you've clicked on save, you can see the video has now been saved to the album. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.